Hi, I'm Laurent Doucette, Senior Training Manager with Dacor. We're here at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City, California. Excited to talk about Dacor's new lineup in 2023. In 2023, we're expanding our transitional cooking line. Historically, we've had this beautiful 36-inch transitional range. We're adding a 30-inch product as well as a 48 for 2023. This allows you to cook Michelin-starred meals in the comfort of your home. With our cooktop, you have 6 beautiful dual ring burners that gives you the flexibility to get to a very quick boil or searing temperature, as well as a very delicate simmer right there on the cooktop. As I move down to the oven here, this year, even our all gas products will feature our 4-part pure convection. This allows you to make multiple items at the same time with even heat distribution and no flavor transfer. So you can do your dessert and your appetizer in the same cavity and not have any sort of flavor transfer whatsoever. So it cuts down on your cooking time and allows you to enjoy your time with your family. To learn more about the entire Dacor lineup, please visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. My name is Laurent Doucette, here with Dacor.